Hey, welcome back, friends, to another episode of Mike's RC Corner. Glad to have you along. I'm on vacation week and we rented a cottage, and I found some great spots for rock crawling. I brought the SCX24 here, and I'm gonna do a little trail video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna add some music to the show. We're up at this cottage, Burkes Falls, Ontario. As you can see, there's beautiful country here. The lake is over there. My cottage is out that way. Took a little stroll down the street and scouted out this spot for some nice rock crawling. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get the footage rolling. All right, we'll catch you on the next one after this. All right, thanks guys.